Welcome back to part 2 of timing cover assembly. Yeah! It's another day. We got the timing cover, outer cover on, and the plate for the motor mount. Gotta put the damper on, the rest of the engine mount on, and boost this fucking battery off, and maybe it'll run. Maybe it'll stop leaking. Who knows? Let's see if it leaks. It's running. I'm watching. You watching? We're watching. This is where it was coming from. Well, fellas, we got it running. Runs great, but unfortunately, it still leaks. So, I just swept up over here. Got my dad messing with his Ranger. So, this is primed and ready, and I'm a little disappointed. But that's how stuff goes, right? Runs great. Too bad it leaks oil, but you know what? You know, run it till the wheels fall off. Yeah, buddy. Rock and roll.